Hello friends, welcome to the Top Down Learn channel. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed about interesting contents. Do you want to be a Twitch streamer? Or just attend online meetings? Maybe you need a camera for other reasons. No need to spend lots of money. We have selected 5 ideal cameras for you, and the prices of these products are affordable for beginners. Logitech C922. The average price is $19. The Logitech C922 Pro Stream Webcam can be used to capture up-close images or video from top of any computer, monitor or TV. Logitech C922 is the new version of C90. This camera is perhaps one of the most used cameras by streamers. If you are wondering about the features between these two cameras, we can say that the C922 does a better job with 720p and 60 fps. One of the best features the Logitech C922 Pro Stream Webcam has is the opportunity to make your background transparent or invisible regardless of what is placed behind you, whether it is that luxury trophy case from your gaming tournament wins or your posters hanging on the wall. What is all means is that you don't need a green screen backdrop setup behind you taking up space in your tiny gaming studio or man cave. Razer Kiyo. The average price is $60. The Razer Kiyo is best used for streaming, recording footage for your Twitch, YouTube channel or editing video content. It has all of the standard features you would expect from a mid-grade webcam: autofocus, image stabilization, and manual focus. The Razer Kiyo records in Full HD at 1080p resolution with a frame rate of 30 fps, while also recording at a faster 60 frames per second rate at 720p. The field of view is 81.6 degrees. Razer decided to integrate a ring light into their webcam in order to solve lighting problems, or at least mitigate the issue as much as possible. It's meant to be shining on your face, so people can see it clearer. Also, keep in mind that with better lighting, the webcam can display smoother visual as well. So, if you are particular about having 60 fps webcam streams, this would be very important. Poly Studio P5. The average price is $80. The Poly Studio P5 is the ultimate video conferencing partner for people who need more than just a basic webcam experience. High quality picture and audio come together to ensure you can maintain a professional image in meetings and presentations even when you are not working from the office. There is even access to things like automatic light configuration to help get the picture just right. While you don't get a 4K picture with the Poly Studio P5, the resolution is still high enough that you can rest assured you will look perfect in every meeting. Access to extras like Poly Lens, app control and a handy privacy shutter feature also helps the P5 to stand out from less impressive alternatives. Logitech Brio 4K. The average price is $160. Logitech has an excellent reputation for webcams, and the product that generated much of this esteem, the C920 and C922, is still one of the biggest sellers today, even if it was released almost 10 years ago. Logitech, in the intervening years, with the development of technology, he decided to find a better webcam and came up with the model called Brio. With 4K Ultra HD quality, Brio is Logitech's best ever webcam, delivering the highest quality desktop video experience available. The device, which we impress with its image quality, makes it look like glass. You don't need a broadcast 4K for this. You get positive results in Full HD resolution. If you record this camera at the same time as another previous webcam, you will find that the Brio 4K image clears the blur in the test. The camera also impresses us with its audio performance, because there are dual microphones on it, and these microphones are supported with noise cancelling feature. In this sense, the Brio 4K is an ambitious webcam. Avermedia Live Streamer Cam 513. The average price is $155. The next level of streamer, which is growing every day, asks something more of its camera. They recognize that their stream, YouTube channel, video podcasts, or whatever is a business, and that they are the face of that business. They recognize that the need to stand out is a large one, and one that comes at a cost. Perhaps the camera that will meet the requirements for all these jobs is the Avermedia webcam. The Avermedia Live Streamer Cam 513 is Zoom certified, which is good news for those of us working from home. And one that note, this live streamer cam comes with a handy cover that slides up and down for that added bit of security. Testing across Discord, Zoom, and recording 4K test footage, the live streamer cam proved to be an impressive all-rounder. It's one of those stations where once you get used to wide-angle lens, it's hard to imagine going back to realm of standard webcams. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel for more content and stay curious.